The name speaks for itself. Simple sugar cookies. It is simple because it's easy to make and it also doesn't require a lot of ingredients. By the time you are finished with this and pop it in the oven, you're basically taking it out. You start off by sifting your dry ingredients, and that's your all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and your baking powder. Now, I would suggest that if you are going to use salted butter, then do not add that pinch of salt. You add your butter to your flour and salt and baking powder. Then you just work this in together, and you are going to work this until everything comes together and you create that soft dough. In addition to this, you're going to add 3 eggs to this. You can choose to beat them before adding them, or you can toss that in just as it is, whole eggs. Also some granulated sugar, your vanilla of course, and the vanilla is just the spice that you're using in this. No nutmeg, no cinnamon, it's just plain and simple sugar cookies that we're working with today. Now, if you're new to my channel, is it your first time being here? Thank you for being here. If you've been here before, as usual, thank you so much for being back. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. When your dough is completed, you want to flour your surface, and you're gonna work your dough a bit, and then you roll with your rolling pin. Also remember to flour your rolling pin because your dough will stick to your rolling pin. Choose the cookie cutter of your choice. This is the one I had, so this is what I worked with, and I think this is pretty cute. I like the gingerbread cookie cutter, but I didn't have that one on hand. I would have loved to have that one to work with in this process here, but I worked with what I had, and that is what it came out to be. Nice shaped. Now this dough is supposed to give you at least 24 cookies. I think I got up to about 30 something. You can go thicker with your cookies or you go thinner with your cookies. It depends on how you like it, and the thinner it is, actually the quicker it is to bake. Now that's nicely done. Then I pop them into the oven on my baking sheet, and it took about 15 to 20 minutes to bake, and that's what they came out looking like. It was tasty, and it was great also with a glass of milk. See how cute they are? And I plated them. After that, I simply just play around a little with some garnish for it, and I just top that off with a little powdered sugar. Of course, the cookie is already sweet, so I was mindful of that sugar. Let the sprinkles fall where they may, and that was it. I hope you like this video. If you have kids, this is great. It's a great option for their lunch bag if they're taking lunch to school. And it's always good to just make your own stuff to enjoy. And guess what? It's even more enjoyable. Until next time, bye.